Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we learned how Playwright is a powerhouse for your test automation. And today's video, our goal is to set up the environment in our local machine so we can start coding soon. So first, what are the tools we need is, let's go one by one. The tool first you need is Node.js. If you don't have Node.js, you can simply search Node.js or go to nodejs.org and click the LTS version. I recommend this version because it is the long-term support version. So just click the latest LTS version, and once you install it on your Mac or Windows machine, you can go to your command prompt and check whether the installation is complete and working fine. So how do you do that? You simply go to the terminal and then type node -v, and you see the node version here. That means you have successfully installed Node.js. So this is the engine that is needed, and this one powers our scripts. That's what we needed for to run our Playwright scripts. So we just saw how to go to the website, download the LTS version and install it, and we saw that it was successfully installed. Now let's get our code editor ready. For our code editor, you need to go and install the Visual Studio, Visual Code. Just say Visual Code Studio, and this is one of the popular and most productive open source code editor. It says AI code editor, but don't worry much about it. It is a code editor and it has AI capabilities too. So just click the download button and download it for your Windows, Mac or Linux. So once you have installed that, you can open it, and I will show you what is the next step to do. So this is code editor where we are going to edit our code, write our tests. So here I have a project opened here, but don't mind that. But once you have the Node.js installed, all you need to do is go to the right and click the extensions, and then what you need to do is search for Playwright test. These extensions are marketplace where you can find lots of tools, but for writing our Playwright test we need to use this Playwright test, which has been downloaded by 1.5 million. So you can see how popular it is, and it is of course officially, there is a Microsoft official mark. That means it's from Microsoft. So click on it and you can see the summary of it, and it has all the things you need to run Playwright test. It has a lot of other features. So just click install, and it is installed there. So we just now saw how to install the Playwright test, and this is so important because this Playwright test plugin or the extension has all the test runner and the debugging tools which we need it while creating, running and debugging our Playwright tests. And the final step here for the magic part is creating our first Playwright project. So open the terminal inside the VS Code. So you can click on the window and the terminal. You can say new terminal here, and we are at the terminal here, and just type this command npm init playwright at latest. So it says okay to proceed. So it says it needs to install the following packages. So just type yes, and where to put your end-to-end tests, just hit enter. The default is test folder. Add GitHub workflow, just hit enter for now, enter for no. the default is false. So, and then install browsers. This is important. We need them. So the default is true. So hit enter and it says it's installing Playwright test. And there you go. And it's still installing. It's getting all the necessary Playwright bundles, all the packages needed. And finally it says it's successfully installed. So you can see all the steps here, and you can see it says it installed packages, and just like that you have installed everything. So in the next video we are going to write our very first automated test. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.